Hi, let's get started assembling your new Smart Desk Home Edition. Everything you need should be inside. Let's unpack everything to get ready. Step 1. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the center screws on crossbar frame, but don't completely remove them. You just need a few turns to allow the frame to expand as shown in the video. Step 2. Insert both legs into the crossbar with the frame expanded. You should be able to slide them right in. Step 3. Let's insert and tighten M6 screws into the desk frame. There are 4 on each side, so we're going to put in 8 total. These can be a little tight, so take your time. Step 4. Let's insert the feet using M8 screws. You're going to use 4 per foot. Find the square recess in the middle of the foot and insert them into each corner. Step 5. You're going to tighten each screw securely. Get a firm hold on each one to assure that you've got a strong foundation for your desk. Step 6. Now let's flip our frame over to install the side brackets. It should be pretty light and easy to do. Step 7. Slide the inner bracket to reveal the holes at the tops of the desk legs. Step 8. Attach side brackets to the top of the desk leg. Line the screw holes at the middle of the side brackets, then insert the screws. Step 9. Tighten each of the screws that secure the side brackets to the legs. These are the arms that are going to hold up your smart desk surface, so you want to make sure they're on tight. Now, let's get the tabletop out of its box. Remove the surface from its packaging. Step 10. Place the surface onto the floor upside down with the holes face up, and gently flip the desk frame upside down onto the table surface. Step 11. Line up the screw holes of the side bracket with those from the table. Adjust the frame as needed to make each screw hole match. Step 12. Now we're going to tighten the crossbar again with our desk in place. Use the Allen wrench we've provided to tighten all 4 on the crossbar. Step 13. Turn the frame right side up again to install the driveshaft. Insert it in the middle of the desk frame as shown here. Be sure to leave a small space between the driveshaft and the frame. Step 14. Insert the other end of the driveshaft into the rod. Use the cap to tighten the driveshaft and secure it in place. Step 15. Finish tightening that end with the wrench we've provided. Time to test everything out. Connect the control pad and power plug into the control box. Now we're ready to try your smart desk for the first time. Hold the up and down buttons together until it beeps to activate the keypad. Then hold the down button. You should see the screen on the keypad come to life. Let's try to change the height. Use the up and down buttons to raise and lower the frame. Unplug everything when you're done to continue the installation. Step 16. We're going to attach the noise pads along various points on the brackets and crossbars. These are the little discs in your desk box. Step 17. Securely fasten the noise pads with the ST4 screws provided. You're going to need a screwdriver for this one. Take a look. All your screws fixing the table frame to the top should be in place as shown here. Step 18. Almost done. We need to use the 2 smaller screws to affix the control pad under the surface as shown here. We're going to put 2 in, 1 for each side. Step 19. Fasten the 2 wood screws we've provided and secure the control box onto the table. Step 20. Plug the leg cable, power cable, and control pad cable into the control box. Now tame that mess of cords. Use adhesive ties to bring everything under control on your smart desk. Finally, we're ready to turn the smart desk right side up and plug it in. That's the last step in this assembly process. Now you have a cool new desk. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.